Hello everyone, best greeting. Today I need to show you how we make a connection between Mendeley and NVivo. Exactly the PhD student and the other academic researcher, while they need to write a systematic literature review or while they need to make a thematic analysis for secondary data source, it means for the article, if you need to make a literature review or systematic literature review, or while you need to write a chapter 2, we need to make a thematic analysis or qualitative analysis for our article. So how we make a systematic literature review depends on the NVivo. At first, how we make connection between Mendeley, the data management or reference management, and NVivo. We go to the Mendeley, we select the folder or the files we are need to put to the Mendeley, we select all, then right click, and we say export. We need to make what? We make to make RIS, a research information system file. This research information system file, we make a name, we give a name like ADR 2024, okay, very clear, okay? So I click the save. So just now, we go back to the NVivo. It's very easy, very easy. You go to your project, if you have a project. If not, you can make a new, create new project. So inside the project, you select what? You select it import. Import what? Import, because we can make a bibliography from the Citavi, from Mendeley, from EndNote, from Zotero, from RefWork. So, but we use what? We use Mendeley. We use Mendeley. Okay.
月亮代表我的心。